Make your own salad, a recipe for language learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, make your own salad. While it might sound like we're heading into the kitchen, this phrase serves up much more than just culinary advice. So, let's get ready to mix, toss, and dress our understanding of this expression, making it a delicious part of your English vocabulary. First things first, let's break down the literal meaning of make your own salad. At face value, this phrase directs someone to prepare a salad according to their personal preferences. It's all about choosing your ingredients, from the greens to the toppings and the dressing, to create a dish that's uniquely yours. This idea of personalization and creativity in preparing a meal mirrors the flexibility and individuality we can bring into many areas of our lives, including language learning. Moving beyond the kitchen, make your own salad can also be seen in a figurative light. It suggests taking various elements from different sources and combining them to form something new and tailored to your taste. In the context of learning English, this could mean mixing vocabulary, grammar rules, idioms, and cultural nuances to create your own unique way of communicating. It's a reminder that language learning is not one size fits all but a personal journey where you can pick and choose what works best for you. How can you apply the concept of make your own salad to your English learning journey? Think of it as encouragement to explore different learning resources, books, websites, apps, and videos like this one. Mix learning methods. Combine reading, writing, speaking, and listening in ways that fit your goals and interests. Customize your learning experience. Focus on vocabulary and phrases that are relevant to your life and aspirations. Embrace mistakes and feedback as ingredients that enrich your learning, adding flavor and depth to your understanding of English. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the phrase, make your own salad, with us, and that it has inspired you to think about your English language learning in a new, more personalized way. Remember, your journey to mastering English is your own unique recipe. Feel free to experiment, adjust, and find the perfect blend of ingredients that suits your taste. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.